Welcome back, y'all, to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about the LeBron 8 Lakers. Y'all know, man, Nike's been killing it with the LeBron retros all year, and they decided to give us one more before the year end. But before we get into the show, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys will be notified we dropping new content to the channel, and help us grow this channel to 1,300 subscribers. I appreciate it. Also, follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. And also, if you guys want to buy any of the Penny for Your Thoughts merch that you see me wearing in these videos, you guys can head over to the website, and the website is P4YT2016.com. I know y'all excited to get to this shoe, so let's do it. Here you guys go, the LeBron 8 Lakers. Let's get straight into the shoe. As you guys can see right here on the toe box, we have a purple toe box right here with suede. You have yellow leather here, aka gold. You have white laces here. These also come with purple laces also. You have a purple mesh tongue coming up to the top of the tongue. On the top of the tongue, you have the patent leather lion there with the suede around it. I don't know if you guys can see the suede. You slide over here to the side of the shoe. You have the fly wire here in purple. You have purple suede here with the holes in it. You have more fly wire here on the background. You have more of the gold here on the side of the shoe. You have the gold swoosh with the white outline with the fly wire and purple behind it. Slide over here to the back. You have more fly wire and more suede. You have the leather background with the LeBron script logo. You have a purple pull tag, gold in the inside of the shoe here. Slide over to the side. You see you have the fly wire here also. You have the purple suede here with the holes in it, giving it that OG LeBron 8 feel. You have the purple swoosh right here on the toe box on the right hand side of the left shoe. You have the gold airbag here also, which gives it a nice touch to the shoe. Then you have the purple sole within itself with the LeBron logo in purple and gold. And then you have the part of the airbag right here, man. These are clean. These are clean, man. I know you guys know that I did a video on the LeBron 7 media days, man. The media days are dope, and so are these. This shoe is crazy, man. It gives me that feel, man. It gives me that old LeBron feel, man. This shoe, Nike got it right for the first LeBron 8 to come out, man. There's rumblings that the South Beast supposed to be coming out in 2021, so look forward to that. I already have the pair from when they came out back in the days. I did a video on that. If you guys can go check it out, it's kind of an old video, so you guys can go check it out. I did a video on those, man. But these are clean, man. Pretty much everything is OG with this release. It has the old school Nike Lebron 8 box, the same exact box, everything, man. I think Nike's doing a great job with retro and LeBrons, and I think it's necessary because with the LeBrons being retro, it gives people opportunity to get a lot of the shoes that didn't come out back in the days. So I think it's also a good touch. And, you know, he gets to play in them, and people get to see him playing in the old shoes, man. It gives us that old feel, man, and I like it, man. I love what Nike's doing with the OG stuff. A lot of the OG sneakers I bought to the channel and, you know, did reviews on to let you guys check them out, man. But these are clean. I think Nike got it right. Definitely retro in these, man. But y'all know what time it is. Time for me to rate this shoe. And out of 5 pennies, I'm gonna have to keep it all the way trill with y'all, man. You know, we going into 2021. I'm gonna keep it trill with y'all. I'm giving these 4.5 out of 5 pennies, man. Clean shoe. The only problem I have with it right now, you know, it's really not the time. If you live in like the northern part of the U.S. or anywhere, you know, it's cold now, so you know you ain't gonna be really wearing too much purple or anything like that. So you know that's the only reason why I didn't give it 5 pennies. But 4.5 out of 5 pennies is definitely a clean rate. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys disagree, leave it in the comments below. And with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.